Can I use a LAN adapter to connect my Nintendo Switch Lite to the internet?
Hello, and welcome to our Tech Talk today. We're going to answer an interesting question. Can I use a LAN adapter to connect my Nintendo Switch Lite to the internet? Stick with us and we'll get you all the info you need to understand the process.
Does the Nintendo Switch Lite support LAN adapters?
Firstly, we need to address a key question. Does the Nintendo Switch Lite support LAN adapters? The answer is, yes, it does. While the Nintendo Switch Lite doesn't have a built-in Ethernet port like some other gaming consoles, it does support USB LAN adapters. This allows you to connect your device to the internet through a wired connection, which can often be faster and more reliable than a wireless connection.
What do I need to set up a wired connection?
Great! Now that we know it's possible, what do we need to get started? Here's your checklist. 1. Nintendo Switch Lite 2. USB to Ethernet LAN adapter 3. Ethernet cable 4. Access to a router. Make sure your LAN adapter is compatible with the Nintendo Switch Lite. There are many adapters available on the market, but Nintendo also provides an official LAN adapter you might want to consider for guaranteed compatibility.
How do I connect my Nintendo Switch Lite to the internet with a LAN adapter?
Now for the most interesting part, the actual setup. Here's a step-by-step guide for you. 1. Connect the LAN adapter to your Switch Lite. Plug the USB end of the LAN adapter into the USB port on the Nintendo Switch Lite. 2. Connect the LAN adapter to your router. Plug one end of your Ethernet cable into the LAN adapter and the other end into a free port on your router. 3. Configure the Internet settings on your Switch Lite. Go to your Switch Lite settings, select Internet, and then Internet settings. Your Switch should automatically detect the wired connection. Follow the prompts to complete the setup. And that's it. You should now have a stable and fast wired Internet connection for your Nintendo Switch Lite. Thank you for joining us in this tutorial. We hope we've successfully answered your question. Can I use a LAN adapter to connect my Nintendo Switch Lite to the internet? And not only that, but also showed you the exact steps you need to follow to make it happen. Enjoy your gaming, and until next time, stay connected.